The innovative new SoClean by Better Rest Solutions can sanitize your CPAP equipment to a level that you've never been able to reach with soap and water alone. Let us show you how this works. The heart of the SoClean is its activated oxygen generator. Activated oxygen is a sanitizing agent the SoClean uses to rid your CPAP equipment of any bacteria, mold, or viruses that may be present. But what is activated oxygen, and how does it accomplish this work? The air that surrounds us, the air we breathe, is made up of 2 atoms of oxygen. This life-sustaining molecule is the foundation for the activated oxygen the SoClean creates. Inside your SoClean unit is a generator that breaks down the chemical bonds of common oxygen and allows it to recombine into a new molecule that contains 3 atoms of oxygen instead of 2. This powerful new molecule, activated oxygen, has the amazing ability to destroy any organic matter it comes in contact with. Activated oxygen has a very short life cycle. After being generated, it automatically reverts back into common oxygen in about 2 hours. During that time, its ability as a sanitizing agent is unmatched, which is why this strong yet safe approach to sanitizing is also used in municipal water purification, the hotel and food processing industries, and in hospitals. But now back to the SoClean. Let's follow the process to see just how your CPAP equipment gets sanitized without any disassembly. After the easy initial setup, simply place your mask while still attached to your hose into the SoClean chamber. At the preset time, the SoClean goes into action. First, the SoClean generates and pumps the activated oxygen through the supply tube and into your humidifier reservoir. It sanitizes not only the water, but the inner walls of your reservoir as well. The next leg of its journey takes it through your CPAP hose. The activated oxygen traveling through it reaches every crevice and eliminates all bacteria that might be trying to gain a foothold. Finally, the activated oxygen reaches your mask. In the same way that it sanitizes the inner walls of your hose, it does so with your mask. So as the activated oxygen passes into and out of your mask, it exposes the outside surfaces of your mask and headgear to the same powerful sanitizing agent that just cleaned your hose and reservoir. In the last leg of its journey, the activated oxygen exits the chamber through a port that contains a special filter. This filter converts any excess activated oxygen back into the oxygen that we breathe. All it takes is a 5 to 15 minute runtime, followed by a 2-hour resting period to get your CPAP equipment cleaner than you've ever experienced. Living with CPAP therapy presents enough challenges on its own, without the prospect of potential bacteria being introduced into your airways on a nightly basis. SoClean offers convenience, safety, and peace of mind that allows the user to get the most out of their CPAP experience. Breathe safely. Breathe easy. Let SoClean help you do both.